Ring ring.
Hello,
Hello, who is it?
I am Jerry. Is it Dia Hostel?
Yes, it is Zia Hostel. Whom do you want?
My brother lives there.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Ahna.
Ahana, would you like to talk to him?
Yes, please call him.
Okay, wait 30 seconds. I am calling him.
Hello sister, I am thinking about you. How are you and how about parents?
We are all fine. We are worried about you.
Why?
Because after 2 days, Eid al-Fitr will be celebrated. But you are not coming home.
Actually sister, today was my last exam. Don't worry. Tomorrow before 7 p.m. I will reach home.
Okay, brother, we are waiting for you. Bye.